In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a widget to a WordPress page. This is a straightforward process, whether you're a seasoned web developer or just starting out with WordPress. I'll guide you step by step to enhance your web page with added functionality through widgets. First, you'll want to head over to the Pages section in your WordPress dashboard. To do this, simply log into your WordPress site and look for the Pages option in the sidebar. This section holds all the pages that currently make up your website. Selecting this option will display a list of all your pages, letting you choose the one you want to edit. Next, click on the title of the page where you'd like to add your widget. This action takes you to the editor interface for that specific page. This part of the process is essential because you need to be on the correct page to add your widget effectively. Once you're in the page editor, locate the Add Elements or Add Block option. By clicking this, you'll access a variety of widgets available to enhance your site. You can select different types of widgets like text boxes, image holders, or even custom code spaces. While many options are available, today we'll focus on adding a simple block first for demonstration purposes. Now, within the block options, let's choose a widget type. For this tutorial, we will select the Custom HTML widget. The Custom HTML widget is quite versatile, as it allows you to directly insert HTML code into your page. This is ideal for those moments when you want to add a custom feature or plugin that requires specific code. In the text box that appears, paste the HTML code that you want to use. Keep in mind, this code is merely an example to illustrate how widgets can be used. You can, of course, insert your own HTML code relevant to your website's needs. Additionally, remember that widgets can also be added through the Appearance section by selecting Widgets. This alternative method gives you more freedom in managing your widgets across different parts of your website. To see how your custom HTML widget looks in action, click the Preview button. This function allows you to visualize the changes made to your page, ensuring everything appears just as you planned before anything goes live. Once previewed, if you're satisfied with how the widget looks and functions, your efforts have paid off. You've successfully added a custom HTML widget to your WordPress page. Congratulations! By following these instructions, you've not only added new functionality to your site, but gained a valuable skill in customizing WordPress. Keep exploring and feel free to experiment with other widget types to enhance your website even further.